Hi guys, welcome back to Indigo co-working space. Right now, we are currently in the executive outdoor boardroom called Rive. If you can listen, it's the sound of the river. It's a multifunctional space that gives you everything that you need to do, from Zoom meetings to therapy sessions to a yoga session in the evening. Oh, hi guys. Now, we are in Maoni, another executive outdoor boardroom. As you can see, it's all about the views, but there's something different about this space. It can sit 15 people, which means you and your whole entire team will be taken care of. And we're currently in Kikao Executive Boardroom, which is also indoor, which is one of the two that holds 8 people, while Baraza holds 6. The TV in this room is going to blow your mind. I'm amazed by the options that Indigo co-working space gives you, from training rooms to workshops to conferences. Guys, let me show you. And here we are in Ronga, guys, where I told you about the training and the workshop rooms. Here we have Mbogi, and this is Rende, one of the more intimate workshop rooms that you can have. Now guys, this holds up to 15 people. So if you're having a managerial meeting where you just need your top suit people, this is your space. This is Manyanga for training and conference needs. And in true Indigo co-working space, the views never disappoint. Guys, you'll absolutely love this space. From boardrooms to workshop rooms, private offices and desks, this is one space that will grow with your business. All right, guys, let me get back to work.